Hello viewers, tonight we're going to be learning how to create a YouTube channel logo with CorelDRAW. Let's simply get to it. This is our CorelDRAW application. Simply open it. Let's take, for example, we are creating a logo for a popular brand known as Dettol. So let's simply click on File, click on New, and then name that file with Dettol logo. Then come here, set the width, because the size for YouTube logo is a regular YouTube logo is 360 pixels by 360 pixels. So you set the width 360 pixels, quite alright. You also set the height to 360 pixels. And when you are cool with it, every other thing is okay. You just simply click on OK. Yeah, so this is the kind of page size that you get. This kind of size is a custom page size. So let's simply get to the main business of the day. working on now. The next thing we're going to be working on now is the effect. So let's simply get to it. There's a tool here under your freehand tool known as the 3-point curve. That's the tool I'm going to use to draw the shape I'll be using to apply a blur effect to it. So I'll click on it, then draw a line, and then drag it in one layer and then click on I'm okay with it. Then draw another line again, clicking and dragging, then draw it outwardly. Yeah, cool with it, I'll click, and then I don't like the way the outline is so thick, so I'll reduce the outline to the hairline. Yeah. Give it white color, then move it to the position where it's supposed to be. Reduce it to the size, place it, and then remove the outline completely. Click on bitmap, convert to bitmap, it's okay. Yeah. Once this is done, go back to your picture, select this, click on the same bitmap, go to blur, and then select Gaussian blur. Then you can now make some adjustments right here under the radius. Yeah, I think I'm cool with it like this, so I'll click on OK. Then adjust it properly. So that is it. Now there's another one down here too at this point, so I'll also do it. All I need to do, I will use the rectangular tool for that one. Draw a rectangle because the shape for that one is a bit bigger compared to this. So come here, remove the thickness of the outline, use my shape tool, click on arrange, convert to curve, convert this portion to curve, click on convert to curve, and then adjust it outwardly, and then highlight this portion again, do the same thing, adjust it inwardly a bit, then give it yellow color, click on it, on pick tool, and then use it to click on it and rotate because I want it to be in this position. Then click out so that it can change from rotation, reduce the size, bring it down here, click on it again, adjust, click on it, then rotate the size, reduce the size rather. So I'm satisfied with this size now, so I've simply removed the outline completely. Yeah, so when this is done, I'll click on bitmap, convert to bitmap, and then everything is okay. I click on OK. Yeah, come to the same bitmap, select blur, select Gaussian blur, and then make my adjustments. I think this is cool. Just a bit. White beside it, so I'll still use this white effect up here. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Cut the duplicate up here, drag it down, click on it, rotate it this way, rotate it this way, click on it, and then move. Then move it outwardly. Adjust it so that it will not be overlapping. So this white is showing slightly behind it, while the yellow is also showing. So I can expand the yellow a bit. Yeah. So the white is showing slightly beside it, while the yellow is also showing. So this is it. about the effect. So satisfied with the logo. So this is what you export and fill on your YouTube channel logo, because this is the normal size, which is 360 pixel by 360 pixel. Once this is done, you can simply export it. Go to file, select export. But I'll first of all highlight this, click on file, click on export, name the file, let's say the tool, and then JPEG, export. This is it. So you click on OK, and then you minimize this. Come and check from the desktop. This is the tool right here. So this is your logo, and whenever you want to upload, this is what you upload to the YouTube channel. And look at the size, 360 by 360 pixels. If you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like, drop your comment, and subscribe to my channel for more notification on new videos like this.